Why can't you have on any clothes? They don't have
let me live my life.
They don't have a version where you could just be dressed.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm getting emotional talking about this. Before we head to the vision board party, of course, we need to grab a bottle because I don't want to go to someone's house empty-handed. While we're walking around, I might as well tell you what is a vision board. Basically, it's a collage of pictures of what you want to accomplish. When you are creating a vision board, you want all good energy and positive vibes around you. Things that you would need to create a vision board: you need a canvas or a large poster, a magazine, well, a few magazines, pictures, glue, and markers. Well, actually, the markers are optional. On my vision boards, I just like pictures.
Customer service in L'Oreal.
Yeah, be okay.
Is he following us?
He is following.
I do not want Andre, I know that.
Is it Crooks?
Why can't we get Corbell?
Where's Corbell?
Right there in your face. Oh my God. Fruit.
This is silly. You know what? You paying for this one. She gonna pay for this one. I'm only gonna give you $8.
We going in half. Don't believe her.
That's my bad. That's the best wine in the world. Alright, you need apple cider.
Oh, that's the bougie one. Where's the apple cider?
Down here. Yeah.
You want a quart?
Okay.
Right down here.
What are you coming down here for?
There's no recording in the store, okay?
Okay.
Please. Appreciate it.
I don't know why, but I don't like when people tell me I can't record. Anyway, I do get attitude. So let's get some. You get Happy Meal.
Thank you for choosing
I would like a fish fillet.
Hi, can I get a fish fillet combo?
Medium or large?
Medium.
What kind of drink?
Oh, lemonade.
Lemonade. Lemonade is nasty.
Anything else?
Yeah. Can I get a 10-piece nugget Happy Meal? Oh shit, no, 10-piece nugget meal.
10-piece nugget meal. What kind of drink or what kind of sauce?
With barbecue and sweet and sour.
Make it 2 Sprite.
With 2 Sprite. Okay. With the Sprite. That's it. Thank you. We cannot order nothing together.
Why you got cuss?
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Did I cuss?
Yeah. Yes.
I can't do nothing, guys. I need to go to the gas station, and then we're gonna go to Long Beach. It's not a good lighting, but we got chicken nuggets. Okay. And can I get 30 on 4?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Alright, guys. I'm pumping the gas, and then we're about to do this little road trip.
Why can't you have on any clothes? They don't have
let me live my life.
They don't have a version where you could just be dressed.
Let me live my best life. She don't like none of my content.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Alright, guys, we have 45 minutes, so. Oh, did I get a straw?
Yeah, use your straw.
No, it's ghetto. It's okay. Alright, guys. I'm gonna try E40 and Snoop Dogg's wine. No, this isn't sponsored, but it can be.
What? You couldn't think of a different.
Is the Snoop Dogg one good too?
Don't say that to be scared.
Start to focus on prosperity.
So many times people say to me, well, I'd like to double my income in the next year.
We're listening to motivational messages while we're waiting for a few more people to arrive.
I grew up on you have to work hard for money, you have to work hard for money. And so I look at the things that I want and say, yes, I knew somebody else wanted it. I'm like, however, they're looking at things that they don't want.
I mean, I drink Stella Rosa, but I've never had this Lux Black. Yeah, I never had that one. That's a champagne. It's finally time to start. I'm going to go through the collection of magazines. Now, I want the ones about fortune. I want ones about wealth, of course, investing, houses, and vacation. Those are the main ones that I want to, and that's the main ones that I'm going to be looking for while I'm surfing through these.
Travel. I got travel.
Your cash.
Orchard.
I want the 14. Ripping off the pages that fits my goals. Now that I have all my images and everything that I want to put on the board, I'm going to line it on the board before I start gluing. My masterpiece is complete. Of course, we're going to cheers to our goals.
All right, you ready? Woo! Hey! Hey!
Well, happiness and accomplishing all our accomplishments. It's already yours. It's already yours. 2021. It's already yours, Shells.
Shells, speak it into existence. You can. I don't
Alright guys, so I'm back from the vision board party and I want to share with you guys my board that I made. I want to really talk about this. Today I had so much fun and it really made me want to work towards this. Literally, I put everything that I want, everything I want to work towards. I even put some solo trips in here, right? I put some solo trips. I put investing. You guys already know I just bought into some stock. Money, of course. Marriage. I put something about YouTube and the podcast. I want a husband to want to be with me. You know, I'm sorry guys. I'm getting emotional talking about this, so okay. But this is what I want. I want to travel. Of course I want to make money. I want to be successful on YouTube. I want to be successful in my business. Of course, travel again. Travel is so important to me. I picked Kim Kardashian and Kanye and their family. I like the idea of them and their family and all that, so that's what I want. I do encourage everyone to do their own vision board and put it somewhere where you can see it every day, so it always can be on your mind. I'm going to put this up in my room so I can always see it, so I always can be focused and try to always work towards it. Another thing about manifestation, I want you guys to say this every day. I say it every day. I actually just started saying this, but I need to be better at saying it. And I want me and you guys, I want to say it, I want us to say it about 3 times a day. So this is what you say. This is for manifestation. This is for any goals that you want to set for yourself and anything you want to come to you. So you say, everything that I want in life comes to me easily, effectively, and quickly. I am well taken care of and provided for. Okay guys, so that is my daily mantra. I want you guys to say it every day. I'm going to say it every day, and I have my vision board to work towards. Yes, like I said, I encourage you guys to do it as well. I feel so motivated after today. And on that note, I'm going to end the vlog, and I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. So have a good day, and yeah.